Just got a new Mac. Let me show you every single way to download and install apps on your Mac. From the App Store to Homebrew, I will cover it all in this complete guide.
There are 5 main methods to get apps on your Mac. First, the Mac App Store, which is the safest and easiest option. Second, downloading directly from a developer website using DMG or PKG files. Third, Homebrew, a powerful package manager for the terminal. Fourth, running iPhone and iPad apps on Apple Silicon Macs. And fifth, family sharing, where you can download apps your family already purchased.
Let us start with the Mac App Store. This is the recommended method for most users. Open the App Store from your dock or use Spotlight Search. Use the search bar to find the app you want. For free apps, click the Get button. For paid apps, click the Price. If you see Open instead, you already have the app installed. You will need a free Apple account to sign in and download.
Now let us look at DMG files. This is the most common installer format outside the App Store. Download the DMG file from the developer official website. Double-click it to mount the disk image. A window will open showing the app and the Applications folder. Simply drag the app icon into the Applications folder. Wait for the copy to finish, then eject the disk image. You are done.
PKG files work like a guided installer wizard. Download the PKG file and double-click it to launch the installer. Click Continue through the steps, accept the license agreement, and click Install. Enter your Mac password when prompted. Wait for the progress bar to complete, and the app is installed.
For power users, Homebrew is a game changer. It is a free, open-source package manager that installs apps with one command. Open Terminal and run the install script from brew.champus. Then use brew install-cask followed by the app name. For example, brew install-cask Google-Chrome installs Chrome instantly. No Apple ID needed, no browser required. You can update everything with a single brew upgrade command. If you have a Mac with Apple Silicon, like M1, M2, M3, or M4, you can run iPhone and iPad apps directly. To check your chip, click the Apple menu and select About this Mac. Look for the chip entry. If it says Apple M something, you are good to go. Open the App Store and look for apps labeled Designed for iPhone or Designed for iPad. Click Get to download, and the app runs right on your Mac.
Family sharing lets up to 6 family members share purchased apps at no extra cost. The Family Organizer sets up family sharing in System Settings. Turn on purchase sharing so everyone can access each other's apps. Open the App Store, go to your profile, and look for the cloud download icon next to shared apps. Click to download for free. It is that simple.
macOS has a built-in security feature called Gatekeeper. It protects you by blocking apps that are not signed by identified developers. Apps from the App Store are always trusted. If you see a warning about an unidentified developer, you can safely open it by right-clicking the app and choosing Open. Or go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and click Open anyway. Only do this for apps you completely trust.
Here are quick fixes for common problems. If an app cannot be opened, try installing Rosetta 2 or re-download the file. If installation failed, check your available storage space and restart your Mac. If you see an app is damaged error, right-click the app and choose Open, or remove the quarantine flag in Terminal. And if an app is not showing up, make sure it is in the Applications folder.
Here is a quick summary of which method to use. For most apps, use the Mac App Store. If the app is not on the App Store, download the DMG or PKG from the official website. For developers and power users, Homebrew is the fastest option. For iOS-exclusive apps, check the App Store on your Apple Silicon Mac. And for apps your family already bought, use family sharing. Always download from official sources to stay safe.
That is everything you need to know about downloading apps on a Mac. You are all set. Enjoy your Mac and all your new apps. If this video helped, please hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Which method do you use the most? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.